There are many, many mantras in praise of Govardhana. I'll read a few of them. Maybe the most famous, some of you may know it, from Bhagavatam, prayers of the gopis. Who knows what's the first word I'm going to say? Hantayam. Hantayam adhirabala haridasa varyo yad Rama Krishna charanas parasha pramodaha manang tanoti sahago ganayos yat paniya suyavasa kandara kandamulaihi. The gopis, who are the best devotees of Krishna? The gopis of Vrindavan. But the gopis, being the best devotees, don't think they're the best devotees. They always think others are better devotees. So they are praising Govardhana as such. Of all devotees, of all the devotees, how many devotees are there? How many devotees? Census. We'll do a census. Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda Ki Jai. Unlimited numbers of devotees. Even in one Vaikuntha planet, there's unlimited numbers. But the gopis say, of all the devotees, this Govardhan hill is the best. And among themselves, they're talking, oh my friends, Abala, oh different girls, why Govardhan hill the best? They're not explaining exactly philosophically, but they're just pouring out their hearts in appreciation of how Govardhan serves Krishna and his devotees in the best possible way. We just sung one kirtan of Narottam Das in which he's describing the pastimes of Radha and Krishna in a solitary place on Govardhan hill. So Govardhan provides places for the pastimes of Radha and Krishna. Where does the Ras Leela take place? That's in Vrindavan, right? Seva Kunj, Ras Leela. That's right, that's right. Well, also on Govardhan hill. It's not the only, there are many places. On the head of Kaliya sometimes. How Govardhan is serving Krishna provides the places for Krishna's pastimes. And specifically the gopis here say that this hill supplies Krishna and Balaram, along with their calves, cows, and cowherd friends, with all kinds of necessities. We were just talking about prem prayojan. A real necessity is prem. But then it's not just a feeling, it's intimately linked with Jive Sarupai Krishna Nitya Das. It's service. So, for service, we need so many things. We were hearing about how Narottam Das wants to offer camphor and pan and sandalwood paste to Krishna. So he wants so many things. I was saying also how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, and a sannyasi, he doesn't need any money. And I'm here and people are giving me money. Seems contradictory. We need money for service. And I'm giving all the money to Radhesh Prabhu, because he needs money for the service. There's a lot of money needed. So We need things for service. And in the Leelas, in the pastimes on Govardhana Hill, Govardhana is considered the best of devotees because he supplies Krishna and his devotees with water for drinking, very soft grass, caves, fruits, flowers, and vegetables. In this way, Govardhana offers respects to the Lord, and being touched by the lotus feet of Krishna and Balaram, Govardhana Hill appears very jubilant. How does Govardhana Hill appear very jubilant? Because the grass is standing up. It's just like if we have, or you may have, some feelings of ecstasy. And then the hairs of the body, they stand up on end. That may happen in ecstasy, in fear. Sometimes there's some sound, just like stone rubbing on glass. It makes your hair stand on end. So the grass on Govardhana is just like what's happening is Govardhana feeling ecstasy and hair standing on end. And people say, no, that's just your imagination. Grass goes everywhere. But no, this is not any ordinary hill. The grass going on Govardhana is the ecstasy, or expressing the ecstasy of Govardhana in serving Krishna and offering that grass for the cows and calves to eat, and for Krishna and Balaram and the cowherd boys to play on, and for Krishna and the gopis to dance upon. From Brihad Bhagavatamrita, Sanatana Goswami, who would perform parikrama of Govardhana every day. Govardhano jayati shaila kuladhirajo yo gopika birudhito haridasa varyaha krishnena shakra maka banga kritachito yaha saptaham asya kara padmatalepi avatsit. All glories to Govardhana, Govardhano jayati. Shaila Kuladhirajaha, the emperor of lordly mountains. The Lord's dear gopis called him the best servant of Hari, Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna disrupted the sacrifice for worship of Indra and instead worshipped Govardhana. And then the hill resided for a week on the Lord's lotus palm. From Prayo Bhakti Rasarnava. Namaste Girirajaya Sri Govardhana Namine Ashesha Klesha Nashaya Paramananda Dayane. I offer my respectful obeisances to the King of Hills, which is known by the name of Govardhana, Sri Govardhana. Sri Govardhana. Sri indicates opulence, and the opulence of Govardhana is increasing the enjoyment of the senses for Krishna and his cows. Govardhana, it bestows the topmost bliss and destroys the unlimited sufferings of this material world. Those who worship Govardhana Shila daily, they recite daily, Saptaham evachuta hasta pankaje bringamanam palamula kandarehi sangsevyamanam harim atma vrindakair Govardhana Drim Shirasa Namami. Namo Vrindavanankaya Tubhyam Goloka Maulene. Purna Brahmata Patraya Namo Govardhanaya Cha. Obeisances to you, Govardhan, who are the lap of Vrindavan, the crown of Golok, and the umbrella of the supreme truth, who for 7 days he was on the hands of Achyuta, the lotus hand of Achyuta, who of the same, it's paraphrasing the Bhagavatam verse. Okay, so you please perform kirtan for 5 minutes, and I'll take a little break. And you can also take a little break if you like to drink water, stretch your legs, or whatever.